In this video, we will learn about Asset Infinity's asset tracking features. Asset tracking feature lets you managing assets at different locations, track and manage all assets, keep a track of all your expenses, use QR codes RFID barcodes for tracking. Let us discuss the reasons why you must invest in Asset Infinity's asset tracking software. This software empowers you to track assets and their associated expenses. Keep track of assets assigned to different employees, etc. Maintain a trail of movement of each asset. Track all your assets accurately and get automated reports which are true to their nature. Asset tracking brings an edge to your business. When you keep track of assets, you can find your assets without wasting any time. As a result, productivity increases. Asset Infinity customizes everything according to the requirement. Every feature is unique and they are helpful in enhancing productivity. Schedule a demo today or sign up for a free trial.